It's a North Indian language. I don't know if Urdu is understood in Kerala. Not at all. So I will translate in English and then it will translate it further in Malayalam for you. There was a great poet in Urdu language, great poet in India. His name was Akbar Allahabadi. He was also great because I am from Allahabad. His name was Akbar Allahabadi. He was a judge, but he was also an Urdu poet. This is around the year 1870. He wrote a poem. He wrote 2 lines. I will read out to you. And then I will translate it in English for you. He wrote, पुलिस जब पैदा हुई तो इब्लीस ने कहा, पैदा हुई पुलिस तो इब्लीस ने कहा, इब्लीस इज डेविल, सेटन। पैदा हुई पुलिस तो इब्लीस ने कहा, हमको खुदा ने साहिबे औलाद कर दिया। When the police was born, the devil said, thank God, he has given me a child. There was a competition, there is a joke that there was a competition somewhere. A lion had escaped from a zoo. It is a story, it's a joke. A lion had escaped from the zoo. So the police was called from England, from America, from Australia, and the police from India. They were told to go and find out where the lion has gone. The American police went, they could not find for 10 days. The British police went, they could not find in 5 days. The Australian police went, they could not find in 20 days. The Indian police went out and came back in 2 hours. And they had a donkey. And they said, this is the lion. The judge said, this is a donkey, this is not a lion. Police said, ask him, we have a confession from him, he is a lion. And the donkey said, yes, I am a lion. You see, this all sounds very entertaining. Unfortunately, it is not entertaining for those brothers and sisters who are falsely implicated and put in jail. Their lives are ruined. The lives of their families are ruined. They are destroyed for dozens of years.